make room to play once more. Gather toys and find their place, working with a happy face. Clean up, one by one. Helping friends is so much fun. Tidy time, we sing along. Cleaning turns into a song. Stack the books, the puzzles too. Put 'em back, that's what we do. Every toy has its own home. Now there's space for us to roam. When we work together, we shine. Clean up time is teamwork time.